Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. If you are new to this channel, be sure to become part of our family. Click the like, click the subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop something massive. Today, I'll be revealing one of the best strategies that assist me and that enables some of the members of our team to be able to make thousands of dollars every month, and some are even uh, able to work on themselves and also be self-employed with as a result of this strategy. So let's not waste much time. I'm your chat guy. Let's go into the charts. So I'm here on the chart and I'll be tackling this pair NZD CAD, New Zealand Canadian dollar. So as you know, you can see we've been having a long trend going to the upside, which you could have capitalized. Obviously, we capitalized from the Forex Heroes team. So now let's look at back testing and also revealing some of the patterns that we were able to see. So I'm gonna start with going to my higher time frame as my daily, and I'm gonna remove everything. I want to show you something. The highest point that I see will be this one that we are going to now. But can you see the movement that happened here? Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, then impulse. So what I'm saying is that I'm looking at this in a manner of showing us the direction of the charts. So how would you have known that this was a sell? You obviously, before this happened, this wouldn't have happened, but this would have happened. So as I've explained, as long as the market is below this line, this is the main one, and then the secondary one, which will also give an indication that indeed we are still in bearish, will be this one, because you can see what it did. It created this high, and if you look at it, this high was probably the one that was supposed to keep on going up, but you see it failed and held. So what we are having this pattern, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this was the low, and then you can see subsequent, what did it do? It held, and definitely sure it gave us something like a double bottom, because I see this rejection. So you can see at most we had this, as I've always explained. This is what you had here, and then here will be lower high, lower high, and then lower low, lower low. So you can see here, this was the lower high if the market decided to push further lower than this one to break this one. But you can see it started to change instead. It started to change. We are having this push, break, retest, and a push. So you need to recognize these two. So let's go to 4 hour. Looking at the 4 hour, this, I'll remove this because I want to show you guys the patterns. Okay, I want to show you guys the patterns. Yes, we take this one, and then now we want to see, you see this one, and this one, and this one. So you can see this is creating chart patterns all the way going down. You can see it's creating bullish chart patterns, but in a sense that it's a correction and going to the upside, knowing very well it will break, go to the downside. That's how it goes. The market doesn't go in a straightforward manner. So once you understand and see the meaning of looking at the trend when it starts to develop, wait for it to confirm itself. As a beginner, I'll say wait for it, don't be gambling. So now I'm on the 1 hour. So I've shown you how you would have seen this, but now I want to show you how you would have now understood that this is pushing to the upside. You would have heard this, oops, keep double bottom. As I always mention, that it's not always gonna come in a book form. So you can see this one, it was in a diagonal descending. So the market touched where? The market came, touch the formation, and then came return, push. So you can see you had a reason to buy here, because why? We are having a double top, then we have bought here. Once it is confirmed, the candles have closed. Yeah. And then now you can see that the market has broken this, but before it breaks, here's something that also would have shown you that I am indeed ready to push to the upside. This correction after an impulse move. Impulse, correction, impulse. So you can see you would have also capitalized on this one once it breaks out of this correction. You put your buy stops. So let's look at another one. So once you've seen that, okay, if it makes a deeper correction, make use of a fib retracement up to this point so that you can be able to see where it is. You can see here it's given us almost 100% retracement. Understand? But what did it create? It created a double bottom. So you would know that you can put the buy stop here, and also you would have seen it by using these chart patterns. Use this, and also use this. Voila! Then you can see it reached our 90% growth, the beginning of this correction, and then now pushing it further up. Pushing it further up, impulse, correction, impulse. It's still pushing to the upside because the line coming here, which you would have said they've broken this, and now I expect the market to push to reach that level. It has indeed. You see this one, the red one. Let's see this. The red one. The red one would have been. This red one, you can see they reached the 90% drop. The break here, it has reached here, because so this, if you are patient enough, they've held it all the way to the upside, and also even this ones. So as I always advise, for small accounts, take partial profits, maybe leave one trade as you go up, and also I advise it on big accounts as well. Take some of the profits, leave one, and then here you take the trades, leave one, and then you take profit on others. The others you keep on trade stopping, pushing it up all the way. Maximum profits, capitalize on the moves, because you cannot predict the market, and you can never say that okay, the market must reach the, yes, it can definitely reach there, but you have to understand sometimes you can face a bigger retracement, and then they take out uh, your psychology, or they take out the profits. Imagine you are running $500 and then now they go down to $100, and then you end up being emotional, frustrated. You close the orders, then it goes back to $800. So you would have, it's better to take $400 and then leave the $100 running, but you put it at 50%, or put it at where it is a reasonable doubt below the previous low, so that you know that when they kick out that low, it's definitely pushing further down. So as you can see, this was a very nice trade. You can see we've been having moves, impulse, correction, impulse, impulse. This is a correction, impulse. So from me, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. I'm glad you can stick to the end of the video. To use the broker that I use, click the link below, and also you know what to do. Contact us in the description to get in touch with your Forex Hero. Catch me in the next video. Peace.